Bob! Bob! Please save me! She thinks I'm food! Bob! Help me! Meow! Meow meow! Don't bite me! She's testing recipes on me! Please help! Meow, meow, meow. Come on, say yes. Let's plan the wedding. That's your answer? Again? You only say meow meow. Wedding canceled. I hate cats.
Sir, would you like to have some peanuts?
I love peanuts. Give me one bag.
That will be $5.
$5? What is this airline? I thought I was in America.
It's company
I have
policy.
wings. I can fly outside for free. Open the window. I'm leaving.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your sister's house.
That's not funny.
You can't cage the truth, bro. Why are you cutting my brother?
You killed my brother.
I'm calling 911. I'm calling the FBI.
If you want your wife back, pay $100,000.
100,000? She is not even worth $1. At this price, keep her and send me a thank you note.
How many followers do you have?
People ignore me. They watch and leave. But nobody follows me.
Please follow our page.
Please follow our page. Please stop scrolling. I make videos just for you. You watch me?
If you want your wife back, you must pay 100,000.
100,000 for her? She eats my food, screams all day, and calls that love. Honestly, you owe me a refund.
Today, I will teach you how to gain followers.
Wait, how many followers do you have?
Don't get personal.
Why do you look so sad today?
Because I try. Every day. I make videos. I talk. I joke. But nobody stays.
Will you marry me? I have a question for you. Do you even deserve me? Will you marry me? I have a question for you. Do you even deserve me?
How many followers do you have?
I don't know anymore. People watch, scroll, and forget me. I talk to a screen, and the screen never talks back.
You're not invisible. Someone is listening.
How many followers do you have?
People watch me, then disappear. No likes. No follows.
Don't worry, keep trying.
Cool. Then why do you have more followers than me?
Will you marry me?
Before that, I have a question for you. Do you even deserve me? Stop. Please listen to me. I make videos just for you, but nobody follows me. Please follow. Please share me. Make me a viral parrot.
Will you marry me?
No. I'm already in a relationship with Inspector Larry. Offer rejected.
Please, follow me. I try to make you smile every day. If you like me even a little, please don't ignore me. I see everyone watching, but nobody follows me. Maybe I'm not good enough for you. I stay here. talking alone, still hoping you care. If you ever love me. I make videos every day. But you still don't follow me. Do you know how much that hurts my little heart? If you really care about me, please follow.
Okay, ready for your injection?
I am brave. Wait, why is it so big? No, I'm flying out of this hospital. I make videos every day, but you still don't follow me. Do you know how much that hurts my little heart? If you really care about me, please follow me. Don't leave me alone. Do you arrest people and punish them?
No, we just arrest them. The judge handles punishment.
Then why doesn't the judge catch himself? I am not ready for injections. I am young, handsome, and trauma-free.
Relax, nothing will happen.
That's what you said last time, and I saw my whole life flash. Help! This is not a hospital. This is a betrayal center. Mom! Don't laugh yet. She's testing recipes on me. Mom, please help. Welcome, everyone. This is my first day. This is the Parrot Zone. Please follow me for interesting comedy jokes. Mom, wake up.
It's Sunday.
Sunday is a holiday for humans, not for parrots. I want cookies. Don't parrots get cookies on Sundays? Mom! Mom! Call 911. Call the FBI. This thing thinks I'm a snack. He's checking me like a buffet sample. Happy New Year, everyone. I talk to you every day. I make you smile, but nobody follows me. That really hurts my little heart. If you truly care about me, please follow me. Happy New Year, everyone. I talk to you every day. I make you smile, but nobody follows me. That really hurts my little heart. If you truly care about me... Mom! Mom! Call 911. Call the FBI. This thing thinks I'm a snack. He's checking me like a buffet sample.
Sir, would you like to have some peanuts?
I love peanuts. Give me one bag.
That will be $5.
$5? What is this airline? I thought I was in America.
It's company policy.
I have wings. I can fly outside for free. Out of the window. I'm leaving.
Sir, would you like some peanuts?
Yes. Finally, something free on this flight.
That will be $5.
$5? Even my cage has better service.
Sir, it's company policy.
Company policy? I have wings, not credit cards. Open the window. I'm switching airlines mid-air.
Will you be my boyfriend?
Order?
I'm 28 years old.
Expired.
My client is innocent because he is too stupid to commit a crime.
Excuse me, how do you know that?
I checked his brain. It's empty. Case closed.
Who's there? Why did you come?
Open the door. We need to talk.
How many of you are there?
There are two of us.
Then talk to each other.
Officer? Is that authority, or did your smile retire early?
Mind your manners.
Wow, even the clock ticks slower around your mood.
Careful.
Relax. If seriousness were a crime, this desk would be doing life.
Officer, do you smile off duty, or is happiness on probation?
Stay respectful.
Got it. Even your coffee looks scared to wake you up.
You're pushing it.
Relax. I'll issue a warning to the chair for sitting too stiff.
Oh, man, that
Okay, all right.
I'll never stop caring about you, but still, nobody chooses to follow me. Please, remember me. Please, follow me. Officer, Are you always this serious, or did one escape custody?
Watch your tone.
Oh, don't worry. Even your badge looks tired of working overtime.
That's enough.
Relax. I'll file the paperwork under too serious. I love you all more than you know. I try to guide you, tell you what to do, what not to do. But when I look around, nobody follows me. Starting a new year, feeling this ignored, hurts.
Mom! Mom! This cat thinks I'm her lunch. Please save me! Relax, Mom. She can't eat me. She's on a diet of failed...
Identify yourself for the court.
I speak facts, not feelings.
This is a courtroom. Be respectful.
Respectfully, I have no idea what I did.
Final statement.
Too cute to be guilty. Motion approved. I love you all so much. I talk to you. I care about you. I tell you what to do and what not to do. But still, nobody follows me. Please understand how this feels. I'm asking you from my heart. Please follow me.
State your name for the record.
I'm the truth machine.
Please answer seriously.
Seriously? Okay.
I object to everything. Reason.
I'm adorable.
Case dismissed.
Happy New Year, everyone. I'm still here, talking to you, loving you, but when nobody follows me, it feels like I don't exist. Am I really that easy to forget? Please, please.
State your name for the record.
I'm the truth machine.
Please answer seriously.
Seriously? Okay.
I object to everything.
Reason.
I'm adorable.
State your name for the record.
Your Honor, I am the truth machine.
Please answer seriously.
Seriously? Okay, I object to everything.
You can't object without a reason.
I'm adorable. Case dismissed. Officer, I've seen tougher faces on a sleepy goldfish.
Watch it.
Watch what? That stare's been buffering for 5 minutes.
Enough.
Relax. If looks could arrest, I'd already be doing life.
Excuse me, may I see your ticket, sir?
I don't have a ticket. I flew in through the window by mistake.
This is a first-class train. Everyone needs a ticket.
I'm a parrot. I pay in jokes. Isn't that enough?
Rules are rules, even for talking birds.
Right. Stop the train. I'll fly on the... Princess, the weather is beautiful. Will you go for a walk with me? That's it. Yes or no? Not background music. Meow.
Excuse me, may I see your ticket, sir?
I don't have a ticket. I flew in through the window by mistake.
This is a first-class train. Everyone needs a ticket.
I'm a parrot. I pay in jokes. Isn't that enough?
Excuse me, may I see your ticket, sir?
I don't have a ticket. I flew in through the window by mistake.
This is a first-class train. Everyone needs a ticket.
I'm a parrot. I pay in jokes. Isn't that enough?
Rules are rules.
Hey, that's it, Squirrel. I see you watching me again. Now don't fly away. Follow me.
Excuse me, may I see your ticket, sir?
I don't have a ticket. I flew in through the window by mistake.
This is a first-class train. Everyone needs a ticket.
I'm a parrot. I pay in jokes. Isn't that enough?
Rules are rules.
Sir, would you like some peanuts?
Yes, finally something free on this flight.
That will be $5.
$5? Even my cage has better service.
Company policy.
I have wings, not credit cards. Open the window. I'm switching airlines mid-air.
Look at this. Sunflower seeds, $50. Fresh fruit, $60. And bird pellets, $70? That's daylight robbery.
It's called inflation.
Inflation? More like insanity. We're staging...
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your sister's house.
That's not funny.
You can't cage the truth, bro.
Are you a Spanish citizen?
No, I am from the United States.
Then what are you doing here in Spain?
I'm looking for a beautiful Spanish girl to get my citizenship. Oh, come on.
Hello, handsome. Did you miss my kisses?
Oh, don't kiss me too much or I'll fall in love.
Well, I already am in love with you, Paco.
Then leave your husband for me. Now, I'm with one. How can I save your day and ruin someone else's?
My neighbor's being loud again.
Loud? Is the music good?
No, it's terrible.
I'm sending the police to arrest the DJ, and I'm sending you some earplugs. Stop whining.
All right, buddy.
Dad, the water is very cold.
It's just a little bowl.
Keep that liquid weapon away from me. I'm allergic to getting wet. If one drop touches me, I'm calling animal services and a lawyer. Hello, everyone. I talk to you every day. I make you smile, but nobody follows me. That really hurts my little heart. If you truly... Hey, do you have a boyfriend, or are you still single by his decision?
Actually, I do have a boyfriend. Why?
Poor guy. With how gorgeous you are, he could have done way better.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, beautiful princess. Will you marry me? Why do you always say meow meow? Just yes or no, princess. I hate you, stupid cat! Oh, officer, does the confidence come with the uniform, or is it rented?
It's earned, not rented.
Interesting, because it disappears when you stop pointing.
Careful, I still outrank you.
Noted. Personality still pending. Don't say that one. Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I still have to get married.
I'm ready to sacrifice myself for you. I will marry you! Valentine's Day, and this flower is only for you.
That's so sweet.
Come closer. I've got kisses waiting.
Okay, but be gentle.
Hello, handsome. Want to be my boyfriend?
What? Your boyfriend? You're expired.
I'm only 33.
Then why do you look like Grandma? Your age is hidden behind your makeup. Valentine's Day? This flower is only for you.
That's really sweet.
Run and not stopping. Valentine's is incoming.
Okay, you win.
Alexa, what's 6 plus 9?
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Then 6 9 is not for you. Use your leg for the time being.
I have 1.7 million reach on Facebook, but my followers are only 24,000. Why, viewers? Why? If you don't love me, then I will stop making videos again.
Objection, Your Honor. That seed bowl was communal. I simply exercised my sunflower rights.
The report says you emptied it in one sitting.
Efficient distribution. Others just had slower beaks.
I'd like to report a theft. Someone stole my crackers.
Your crackers?
Yes. Left them in my cage. Came back, gone. Feathers everywhere. Highly suspicious.
Any suspects?
One, squirrel. Shifty tail. I'd like to file a complaint.
About what?
My neighbor shouts quiet whenever I rehearse.
Rehearse what?
Opera. I'm a natural soprano.
That's unexpected.
Try hitting high C without... Officer, can you give me your number?
My number? Are you asking me out?
No, I meant your badge number. I need it for my complaint.
What complaint? About what?
About you distracting me. Are you married?
No, I am not married. I still have to get married.
I am ready to sacrifice myself for you. I will marry you.
Tony, what are you doing in our blanket?
I'm rubbing to keep my babies warm. Both of them.
You mean my baby and me?
No, my baby and my girl.
Oh, really? Can I borrow him for a second?
No, I can't work.
Are you married?
No, I am not married. I still have to get married.
I am ready to sacrifice myself for you.
I will marry you. Are you married?
No, I am not married. I still have to get married.
I am ready to sacrifice myself for you. I will marry you. Officer, I need flour to make some bread.
Okay, but where can I get flour?
The amount of flour in your cheeks is enough for me.
No way!
Hi, Officer Larry. Do you know that many girls want to date me?
Yes, honey.
If you already know, then take a divorce from your husband and marry me. Hey, beautiful girl. Yesterday your husband was walking on the same street with another woman.
Oh my God, what is this parrot saying? Is this true?
Hi, Parrot. Please stop talking about this.
Hi, sweetie. Can you give me a kiss?
Sam, please. Your lipstick already scares me. I don't like girls with lipstick.
Oh.
All right, fair enough.
saw you, crazy parrot. Come back and say sorry, otherwise I will call the police.
Are you a Spanish citizen?
No, I am from the United States.
Then what are you doing here in Spain?
I'm looking for a beautiful Spanish girl to get my citizenship.
Are you a Spanish citizen?
No, I am from the United States.
Then what are you doing here in Spain?
I'm looking for a beautiful Spanish girl to get my citizenship. Princess, the weather is beautiful today. Will you go for a walk with me? Every time, just one sound. Why? Answer in yes or no, please.